Hello, my name is Dylan, and today I'm going to be going over what I learned in Module 3 of CISC190 Java programming. First, I want to go over what a single-dimensional array and memory map is. So, a single-dimensional array is a flat one-dimensional line that is broken into a series of values, data, colors, etc., which are named elements. These elements are stored within the boxes in the array, which we're going to call a memory map, and the memory map shows all of the elements that are stored in one continuous sequence of memory addresses. And each of these elements can be quickly found by its index, and the array then uses an index to assign each value within the memory map to its own number value. Currently, we only have 8 index values stored, ranging from 0 to 7, that houses its own element. An array can essentially be any length. However, in this example that I will use in the video, we will be taking a 2D image and stretching it into a one-dimensional line of pixels, with each pixel having its own color. From there, those pixels will be assigned a numerical value on the index that can be manipulated by the code, which I will pull up right now on BlueJ. So, here in BlueJ, the first thing we can see is a file chooser that allows us to select what image we want to manipulate from our computer. Below that is our first filter, which is the negative filter, which inverts the colors of the image by subtracting each color value from 255, which gives the photo its effect. Next is the grayscale filter, which changes the color in the image to black, white, and gray, like an old noir movie. This is done by getting the average value of the red, green, and blue and dividing it by 3. And after that is the filter I created myself called the My filter, that changes the image to different shades of red. This is done by dimming green and blue and increasing the intensity of red, which lets the red become the most prevalent color shown. And as we can see, each filter starts with the index that starts at the beginning of our selected pixel all the way until the last specified pixel, which we will see over here in the try effect class. So over here, you can see the computer has some math that it does that separates the image into 3 separate equal sections that can be modified by our code. The first box has the negative filter applied to it, then the grayscale filter is applied in the second, and then finally the My filter is applied to it, which, if I go to BlueJ and go to picture, oh, actually, sorry, my bad. Try effect. If I go to try effect, go to downloads and select a picture, let's say, about the banana picture, you can see that this gives you a copy of what the original picture is and what happened to it when we applied the 3 separate filters to it. So that should mark the end of the video, and I would appreciate any feedback given. With that being said, thank you for watching my video.